Hi, my name is Kim Caves. I'm down here on the Bow River today in Edworthy Park in Calgary. It's a lovely fall day. The other day I was here and I saw a paddler going against the current, likely trying to get some exercise, and I thought, do you kind of feel that way these days with the new normal in your sales journey, that everything seems to be a little bit uphill or against the current? Well, almost after 20 years of selling to domestic, US, and global markets, million-dollar deals, I learned you need to do 12 things really well. 1, listen for what's not being said. 2, be empathetic, especially in these times. 3, ask meaningful questions. Find out real problems. 4, ask those questions that are a little bit out of your comfort zone. 5, knowledge is power. Do a lot of homework, a lot of research. 6, lead good meetings, effective meetings. Your audience will appreciate it. 7, build relationships with lots of people in your client organization and in your prospects organization, especially the ones that don't like you or you don't like them. Know the buyers intimately, number 8. Number 9, be tech savvy. 10, be honest, transparent, and likable. 11, always have a plan to know where you're going. And 12, if you've done everything you possibly can, do one more thing. I learned a lot of these lessons the hard way, and now you don't have to. We offer workshops on every one of these subjects, and there's current information based on new norms and new landscape. We charge $95 per person. For between 4 to 8 people is the ideal size of group, so we can all learn from each other. And after every workshop, you'll have a checklist and a template to have a living document that becomes your sales playbook. So reach out to me, see if we can get our workshops going, and I will help you learn from some of these mistakes that I made. KimCaves.com is my website. My email, hello@kimcaves.com. Caves, just like the dwelling. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.